Mommy. My name is Luca. I am the best good boy. My name is Luca. I am my mama's boy. I love my dogs. I love to sing. I love to run. I love jiu-jitsu. My name is Luca. I am the best good boy.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, today we are going to learn how to make an omelette.
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 Okay, in French, say une omelette.
Une omelette.
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 Perfect. Do we have eggs?
Sure.
Oui.
Yeah.
Say oui. Look what I bought.
I opened it.
Œufs de caille. Open. Have you ever seen these? Quail eggs.
Correct. 1,
Quail.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, let's count. Let's count. 1,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9,
10,
11, 12.
14.
No. Let's count in French.
1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. What's 12? A dozen. A dozen eggs means 12 eggs. And it comes from French, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Wait. It's gonna be a little complicated because they're a little...
I'll put this right there.
They're
I'll
dirty.
put this right here.
Can you say eggs again? De caille
To cry.
means,
I don't open it.
quail eggs. All right, let's see how we open those. Let's go here. We have a bowl. All right, let's see how we open these.
Okay.
Perfect.
Oh,
Wow.
dash.
Okay, ça.
Put it in the trash.
All right. Mets ça dans la poubelle. How do you say? Mets ça.
Miska.
Mets ça.
Miska.
No. Put this. Mets
Ne.
ça in the trash. Dans
Do.
la
Da.
poubelle.
Okay.
La poubelle.
Pas de poupée.
Poubelle.
Poubelle.
Belle.
Belle.
Poubelle.
Poubelle.
La
La.
poubelle.
Poubelle.
Mets ça. Put this.
In the trash.
All right. How do you say please, mama?
Please, Mama.
S'il te plaît, maman. S'il
Si.
te
De.
plaît,
Toi.
maman. All right. Oh, no. Second egg. Le deuxième.
Uh-oh.
Comment? Le premier, le deuxième. Oh, can I do it? Okay, this is really bad.
Uh-oh. I washed. I did this.
Okay, let's do another one. Oh my god. All right, let's start anew. Okay, this is bad. Okay. Maybe we should do it with real eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, these are real eggs. These are really good, but maybe mama should handle those. How many eggs do we have left? Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we had 1, 2, 3. We lost one. It's in the trash. One is here all nice. And one is sad. We couldn't open it. Oh, they're a little dirty. Oh, I guess we have to wash
Let's do
them.
this. It's happy. It's still happy.
You know what? We can wash them first. Let's put them all here, wash them.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6,
6,
7, 8, 9, 10. Super. Okay. These
1,
2, 3.
No, I did.
Okay, you do.
No, I did.
Sorry. Shh.
1, 2, 3, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10.
Bravo!
I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can't say these.
Yeah, I cannot. Okay, you do it one more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 8.
Okay, again.
No.
Un,
No.
un,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Parfait. It's this because you forgot it. Super, bravo.
10.
Bravo. Now, after we clean them, we have 10 good-looking eggs.
Don't cook the omelette. The egg?
How many eggs do we have? Clean?
Yeah.
These?
This is how we do clean.
These 10 eggs. 10. We have 10 because we threw away 3. Well, 2. Sorry. 1, 2, 3.
No, one count. One there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. So we saved one. All right.
10, 9, 8, 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's make the omelet. Come on.
Okay.
First egg. Okay, break it. Knock it down.
No, I'm gonna do this one. You do this one.
Okay, let me see how I do it. Oh, because you already peeled it.
Oh.
Okay, you do the other one. Just do the other.
I'll do this one.
Oh, okay. Oh, good job. Good job. Okay, next. It's okay. Go.
Almost fall down there.
Almost fell down.
And all fell down there.
So 1,
Uh-oh.
2, 2. Two. Hey, another.
Uh-oh. You pull that out. Uh-oh.
Our hands are clean? No, here. Oh, it's okay. If you can't do this, do another one. Do another one.
I'll do the one. It's fine.
Harder. Just do harder. Bam! Bam! Okay, 2.
I did it again.
Did it again. Okay, what's the step 2? You have a tattoo from school?
Yeah. Cookie.
From school.
Cookie.
School day.
Cookie.
La l'école. Come on.
Cookie.
3, 3.
I did it again.
Again. Oh la la. Oh la la. Oh la la.
Uh-oh.
Go. Put it in here.
No, I did.
Okay, come closer.
Don't do it.
Yeah, but I don't want you to get burned. Go there, closer there.
Do it now?
Okay, yeah, we'll do it together. Okay, now go away.
Look good.
I know. Don't touch.
I'm not touching. I'm not touching this. I'm touching this strap.
It's stove.
That's not stove. Your oven.
Okay, but we don't touch it. Whatever it is called.
You don't touch. You know what stuff? You don't touch. They call it a stove oven.
Exactly. We don't touch it. Safety rule. Okay? Only Mama does, and you only go next to it when Mama says it's okay. Okay?
Mama, I think that's right there.
Yeah, just don't touch anything.
I'll touch the ground. I'll touch the ground.
Let's see if it's yummy. What do you think?
This is my plate.
I know, and this is for baby.
This is mine.
Wow, these are 10 quail eggs. That's an omelet. So
this is mine.
Let's try.
Yummy.
Alright. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Oui. J'ai faim. Say
Oui.
j'ai faim.
Oh.
Yummy? Good job. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Haha! Quail egg omelette made by Luca. You wanna tell your friends? You wanna tell your friends you love your omelette?
Yeah.
Say j'aime. Okay, don't eat and talk. Safety rule number 2. No eating and talking. Okay, you choose.
Yeah. Oh no, talking this too.
Yeah. You wanna say something? Say before you eat. Okay.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum. It's really yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Uh-oh.
After that.
You okay? Okay, say I love my omelet.
I love it.
J'aime. All right, don't say it. J'aime mon omelette. Oh, j'aime l'omelette que j'ai fait. I love omelette.
I
J'aime.
love Mama.
J'aime l'omelette. Omelette.
I love Mama.
Good job. Okay, chew. Don't talk.
You do that and you do that one.
Okay, let's crack them.
That's Mama. That's Mama. That's Mama. And that's Luca.
Okay, un, we have un, deux,
Two.
trois, E means eggs. E,
Mint eggs.
E, deux, poule. Poule is hen, a hen, a chicken that makes eggs, right? Hen.
Yeah.
Well, chickens. Well, eggs. Well, it's a hen. Okay, let's crack them. Let's go. First egg.
I ate the eggs.
No, you didn't. We need to make an omelet for your
ate them.
sister. Let's
I
do
ate
it.
them.
Come on.
I want that one.
These are from the farmer's market. That's why they're so
Whoa.
free-range eggs, meaning the hens are roaming. Ooh, you did it. First egg.
I want to do that one and that one.
Perfect.
That's Luca. That's Luca.
Okay, perfect.
You put it in the trash.
Mets ça dans la poubelle, s'il te plaît, maman. How do you say mets ça dans la poubelle? La poubelle. Luca? La poubelle. Oh. Mets ça dans la... Et ça aussi? Luca?
Huh?
Mets ça. Mets ça. Put this.
In the
Dans.
trash.
In the trash. Dans
Dans
la
la
poubelle. Poubelle.
poubelle.
Mets ça dans la poubelle. All right, now we need to clean a little bit. Can you not tell anybody?
No, I won't.
Bad. We need to tell her. Hey, we need to clean it.
I'm back to Tato.
I'm not mad. He called during our omelette making session.
What? That's not really nice.
C'est pas gentil. C'est pas trop gentil. What does that mean, gentil? Gentle, right? It's not really nice. Remember when I tell you to be gentle? Sois gentil. Sois gentil. Can we mix? That's, okay, let's get...
What's that?
From the egg. It's like a thing. Come on, mix. Keep
That's a
mixing.
crack.
Mm-hmm.
Super.
We should mix like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you do it.
I can do it.
You can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bravo! Making this for Bibi, and Bibi likes her omelette with Gouda cheese. avec du fromage. How do you say cheese? Fromage.
Yummy.
Say fromage.
Fromage.
Perfect. So cheese is fromage.
Cheese is fromage.
Perfect. So people that you're close to them. Right? You can show it.
I will help you.
Luca can only touch the handle and very carefully, only if Mama's here, right?
Yeah.
Only if Mama is here. Okay.
Everybody. Mama's here.
Okay. It doesn't look like a crepe. Crepe comes from French. Crepe. So an omelette should have...
Yummy.
It is yummy. I know it has cheese. Yeah.
I want to eat it. I love this.
Okay.
My name is Luca. I am the best good boy. Don't forget to subscribe, because you have no idea what fun's coming next.